Welcome back to computer class. So we are under image group. Yes, class we have started to learn about image group, and we have completed two commands which is present in image group. So image group contains commands like select, crop, resize, flip or rotate. These are the commands which is present in the image group. Select, crop, resize, flip or rotate. All these commands are used to perform different kinds of work in the Paint program. Select command is used to select. Crop command is used to crop the image, that is cut off the image. Resize is used to resize that image. Flip or rotate is used to rotate the image. So all that commands are there to perform different kinds of work in the Paint program. Okay, last class itself we have started this topic and we have learned about the different commands which is present in the image group and the uses of select and crop command. What is the use of select command? Select command is used to select the picture. Select the part or wall picture. There are two types of select command, that are rectangular selection, freeform selection. The next command that we have learned is crop. Crop means cut off. Crop means cut off. This crop command is used to cut off the selected area of a Paint program or image. Crop means cut off, which is used to select or which allow to keep the selected area and the remaining area will be deleted from it. That is the use of cut off. So today let us learn the remaining commands which is present in the image group. So let us start to learn. The next command that we are going to discuss here, it is resize or skew. What is mean by resize or skew? Yes, this is an option which is present in the Paint program to make some changes for the image. Okay, resize or skew. So let us discuss it one by one. Resize. Resize commands changes the drawing by making it narrower, wider, shorter or longer. From that you can understand that this resize command is used to resize the picture. Resize the picture in the sense, if we have a picture, with the help of resize command, here let me show you one resize command. Can you see this resize or skew? Can you see resize or skew in yellow color? Here I am going to make it resize it. Here see, I have made it small, I have made it big, right? Narrower, wider, right? Longer, shorter. So from this itself we can understand that resize is used to resize the size of the image. We can resize the size of an image. So with the help of this resize command, we can make changes in the drawing by making it narrower, wider, shorter or longer. These kind of changes can be done with the help of this resize option. Is it clear? Resize commands changes the drawing by making it narrower, wider, shorter or longer. Then what is mean by skew? Skew commands, that is skew commands. Here we have one mistake there. C-O-M. C-O-M-M-A-N-D, that is command spelling. Okay, so skew commands changes one end of the drawing while keeping the other end fixed. With the help of skew command, we can make changes on any one end of the drawing. We can make some changes in any one end of the drawing. I will show you how to make skew. Okay, so with the help of skew command, we can make changes on one end of the drawing while the other side will be fixed. Is it clear? So with the help of skew command, we can change on one end of the drawing while keeping the other end fixed. Here I am going to teach you how to resize or skew an image in Paint program. Okay, to resize or skew an image, we have to follow certain steps. Under that, the step 1, the main step 1 is select the image. To resize or skew, first what we need to do? We have to select the image. Clear? Step 2. We can click resize in the image group. Is it clear? So to resize or skew an image, step 1, we have to select the image. Then step 2, we have to click resize in the image group. Is it clear? And third step. So when we click the resize option, you can see a resize and skew dialog box. Okay, to resize and skew, when we click the resize option, we will be getting a resize and skew dialog box. And when we click that, we will be getting two options from that: to resize horizontally or vertically, to skew horizontally or vertically. There will be two options, that is to resize horizontally or vertically, to skew horizontally or vertically. From that, we have to choose any one of the option and we can do that function. So this is the steps to resize or skew an image. To resize or skew, step 1, we have to select the image. Step 2, click resize in the image group. When we click the resize in the image group, we will be getting resize and skew dialog box. From that, we have to choose any one of the option that given below, that is to resize horizontally or vertically, to skew horizontally or vertically. So when you click that option, the picture will get resized or skew. Is it clear? Now I am going to show you how to do that with the help of Paint program, up to resize or skew the image with the help of Paint program. Let us go for that. So here I am going to show you how to resize and skew the image. Okay, so here I have taken a tree picture. Okay, here you can see a tree picture, right? So this picture I am going to resize. Similarly, I am going to skew. Okay, so first to skew or resize an image, first we have to select it. So with the help of select option, first we have to click on the select and we have to click and drag on the image or the part of the image that we need. Here I have selected this picture. Clear? Then step 2, we have to click the resize option. Can you see resize? Right, resize. Okay, here you can see different options. Fine. So here let us give percentage. Okay. So when we click the resize option, resize and skew dialog box appears. That is the third step. I have told you that, right? So in this we have to enter the point. So horizontal, let me give horizontal 45. Okay, vertical 45. Let me give OK. So what happened? The picture size to get reduced, right? So we have resized that picture. Again, let us click the resize. Here skew option is there. Let us give an angle of skew. We have to enter an angle between 0 to 89. Okay, so let us give 60, angle 60. So horizontally 60 degree. Is it clear? One side of the picture get skewed. Again, let us give once again resize. Vertically 60%. Okay. So the picture is not clear for us because we have given an skew image. So one end of the image will be get skewed. Is it clear? Yes. So this is the option. This is the option to resize and skew. Once again, let us do that. So from the image group, we have to select the select command. Then we have to select the image. Then with the help of resize option, we can resize the image. Let me give 90%. So it has resized it to 90%. Okay. Then let us give skew. Before that we have to select. Okay. Before that we have to select the image. Then resize option. Skew. Let us give an angle of 45. Okay, 45. First we have given horizontal. So now I am going to give vertical. Okay. So vertically it has skewed. So this is the function that we can do with the help of resize and skew option in Paint program. Is it clear for you? Yes. So I am going to show you one more option here. Okay. Here I am going to show you one more option, that is to rotate. Flip or rotate an image. Okay, flip or rotate an image. For that also we have to click on the select option and we have to select the picture, and with the help of rotate option we have to select the rotate. So let me click the rotate 180 degree. So the picture has rotated as 180 degree. Let me rotate it 90 degree. So it has rotated as 90 degree. And here flip vertical. This is flip vertical option. Flip horizontal. This is horizontal option. So these are the options which is present in the image group. Okay. So I hope you have understood.